Hey guys, what's up? This is Mehak Nair, that's Praveen Nair, and yes, we're here today with a Kickstarter juice.
Alright guys, so it's time to see the recipe and understand how to cook it or how to prepare it. Let's have a look.
Lettuce, 1 whole banana, 1 small beetroot, 8 to 10 strawberries, little ginger, 1 cup lettuce, banana, strawberries, ginger, beetroot, water, 1 glass.
Alright guys, so here it is and it's ready. So which means that we've got ginger in that. It's got quite a lot of things which is really good for your health. But specifically we're looking forward for the ginger today in this one. So ginger helps you to reduce the inflammation and it helps you to improve your digestion. So which means that it's something that you can take early in the morning when you get up or probably in the mid-snack time kind of stuff.
So all you guys, request you to please share the above video to your friends. Please hit that bell button so that you get an intimation whenever our new videos are coming up.
And we will see you in the next